Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME GT8 Pro and Dream Edition, and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find home screen, lock screen and style. I'd like to focus on the Flux themes, which are right here, but before I'd like to show you how to change solely the wallpaper, which are pre-installed here. So as you can see, simply scroll down a little bit and tap on Wallpapers. So now we will be transferred to the full list of pre-installed wallpapers from which we can choose. Here we've got different albums, so for example interactive ones, some static wallpapers, not all papers, etc. And at the top you've got also the option choose from album, so you can enter your own photos and set your photo as a wallpaper. Moreover, here you can scroll down and tap on more wallpapers, and you will be transferred to the themes where you can choose something from online wallpapers which are free of charge, so you can freely download them. However, you will need to log into the account, the REALME account, so be aware. Another thing which you can change, another place in which you can change the wallpaper is here. Simply tap on all Flux themes, and here you will be transferred to those which are available with themes, but the wallpapers which are available in the themes are not available in the previous section. So I highly recommend checking those, because maybe you would like to change the not only the wallpaper but also the theme, because here we've got beautiful options from which we can choose. They are really not only creative but also interesting. For example, those furry friends, come on, this calf here or cat, they are great. Here you can also check online themes, but again you will need to sign in, or you can show past collections which are again free of charge, and you can choose something from those options. Look at them, they are beautiful. Alright, so let me maybe pick this cat. So just tap on the specific theme, and as you can see, now we can see the lock screen and the home screen. I will quickly show you also the customization of the lock screen. Here you've got the option depth, which is really nice, because as you can see right now, this cat is before in front of the screen, and behind it we've got this brilliant text, but after turning off the depth option, the text will be at the top. But now after turning it on again, it will hide behind the cat, which is cool. Here you've got also the style, so you can choose, for example, those effects. You can use them if you wish. I don't think I am the biggest fan, so just let me set it on original. You can blur it here if you wish, and you can swipe to the home screen. So here we've got another option which we can use, because we've got system colors. Sorry, not system colors, and the wallpaper here. Yes, it's right there, because as you can see, instead of we've got all of those previous options, pre-installed wallpapers, but here we can also use solid color. So if you wish, you can simply set, a gradient. You can change the intensity of the gradient. You can also set a completely solid color, and you can change whether you'd like to set it on more pastel side or more vibrant. Completely up to you. So this is how you can customize it, but to be honest, I think I would like to match my home screen with lock screen. Alright, so if you're happy with the results, just tap on apply in the right upper corner and wait a second. If you wish, you can turn on always on the display. I don't want to do it. Now we can go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.